Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to track the phone number inside your Python. So you can actually track the SIM card details, the carrier or company as well using the phone number. So here you just need to specify the 10-digit mobile number alongside with the country code, and then this module inside Python, which is called as phone numbers, will actually tell you the information regarding that mobile number, such as the SIM card details and the carrier information as well. So let me show you a very simple example. I input my own number right here, if you see that, and as soon as I run the script here, it will actually save all this information inside a JSON file. So you will see SIM card details saved to simdetails.json. So it actually creates a file right here, simdetails.json, and as soon as you open this file, it will return you the information regarding that phone number, such as the mobile number, if it's a valid number or not. So it's a valid number. The region belongs to India. The carrier is Airtel company, and the time zone also returns Asia, Calcutta. So you can similarly input any number, any valid number, 10-digit number, and it will return out these details and creates a simple JSON file every time you run this Python script. So you can let me show you the module here. If you go to this website, just search for this Python module, which is phone numbers. It's a very famous module which returns the SIM card details. You can track your phone number, every detail. So just install this module, and after installing it, let me show you how to use it. So the full script is given in the description of this video. So if you need to get the full script, the link is given in the description. So first of all, we import the phone numbers module. Then we also need to import the JSON module for saving the information in a JSON file. And then from this module, from phone numbers, we need to import the geocoder and the carrier. After that, we also need to import the time zone as well to get all this information. After that, we specify the number, which should include your country code as well. So +9 for India. So then we input my number, and then after that, first of all, we need to parse this number. For parsing this number, we have this function which is parse. So here you will simply pass your number. It will pass your number, and then for getting the details, we need to specify a object sim data, and inside this object we will specify various properties. First of all, your number. Second of all, the if it's a valid number or not. So we have this true or false. So this contains phone numbers dot is valid. You will see inside this drop down. So this contains all these functions that this module contains. So we have this is valid number. So it will return either true or false depending upon whether this number exists or not. So this is really important to do, whether it's a real number or not. So in this way you can detect that. After that, now to get the region information, so this geocoder module, from this we will call this, and then it contains this function which is description for number. So now it will return you the address of this number, where this number is located. So here we need to get the information in English language, and then we also can actually get the information regarding which company this mobile number belong to, which is the carrier. So carrier name for number. So it will return you the number of the company. So parse number, again English language. And then lastly, we can even get the time zone. So which time zone this number belongs to. So for this we use the time zone information, which is time zone for number. That's all. So this contains this 5 information number. You can see now we just need to save this information in a JSON file. For saving it, we simply use the open function, and we create a simple file which is simdetails.json. open it in write mode, and then we simply call this function json.dump like this, and then we can print out a statement that SIM card details saved to this file. So now what I will do, I will delete this file and again run the script. So as soon as I run the script, you will see on the left hand side the file will be created, and you can check this for any number. You can see again it returns. Let me change the number here. I provide any other random number. You just need to be a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So again you will run this. You will see, now you will see the carrier is different because it's a different number. So you can see the script works for all the numbers. You can check any number in the world, just put the country code and then the 10-digit mobile number, and then it will return you the information regarding this number. So I just tested this module. This module works every time, so you can definitely install it and start using it. And if you need the script, the link is given in the description. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.